Did you know that you can create reverb with nothing but delay and feedback? Let's look into it. Reverb, short for reverberation, is a multi-directional echo effect. Simulating realistic reverberation is computationally intensive because it requires taking into account the physical properties of the space, such as air pressure, temperature, and humidity, as well as wall texture, shape, and density. Yet, it is indeed possible to achieve a basic reverb effect without a full-on physics simulation. Let's start by creating an echo effect. Echo is a natural phenomenon that causes a sound to repeat itself while its amplitude decays exponentially. The time between consecutive repetitions is called the period, and the decay rate is called damping. One way to reproduce echo is by using delay and feedback. The amount of delay will correspond to the echo period, and the amount of feedback will determine how much damping is applied. To apply feedback to a module, its output must be mixed with its input. To do so, we simply use the subtraction module, which basically acts as a dual input mixer when its input A is set to 1/2 and its input B to -1/2. We plug the input signal into A and the feedback into B. Then, we can vary the level of B to adjust the damping effect. We now have an echo effect from a delay module. From there, we could add a second feedback loop to get to the desired effect, but for simplicity and convenience, let's use the echo module and apply the same method. In this particular case, we set A to 2/3 and B to -1/3. We also set the echo period to 1/5 of a second, or about 66 milliseconds.
Order the damn food! Order the damn food! Order the damn food!
And that's it. Feel free to try it for yourself and experiment with the parameters. Now, let's have some fun. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe to support this project. And stay tuned for more.